Hello, hello, hello. I'm here. Let me mute this. I've been drinking my fatty keto coffee all week, trying to switch things up. How I break my fast and seeing if I get any results from doing things differently. Before we get into this, I want to say thank you for following me. Watching my vids. If you can please watch them all the way through. Um, let the commercials run through the ads so I could get my 2 cent per view. I greatly appreciate it. I did tag pin in the comments my Cash App if you want to monetarily support my channel. So this is a fatty keto coffee. What's in it is I use the Purity coffee beans. Um, I grind them up in the food processor. And then, I pour the hot water over them in a filter. I showed y'all this before. I put 1 tablespoon of butter, unsalted, Kerrygold, grass-fed, um, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This one, I put like a half a tablespoon of cacao powder by Hershey's. It's unsweetened. That's why it looks so chocolatey. A splash of vanilla flavor, some sea salt, just a dash of sea salt for electrolytes. Um, what else did I put in there? Oh, 2 tablespoons, which equals out to an ounce of the L's, I think it's Ellsworth or Ellsworth, milk oat, milk, and a cup and a half of coffee, and I blend it up in the blender. Or if you have a coffee frother, you can use that. And this is how it comes out, and it tastes really good. And I also used 2 tablespoons of the monk fruit, so y'all can look monk fruit up. It's an alternative to sugar. So yeah, this is my Mocha keto coffee, and it tastes really good. Give it a try. Peace.